Are you struggling to keep your finances in check? From now on, you will never believe the huge amount of money you can save when you practice accounting and bookkeeping. Stick around because I'm breaking it all down for you. Alright, let's talk accounting and bookkeeping. These aren't just fancy terms, they're the backbone of any successful business. In this video, I'll walk you through the basics of accounting and bookkeeping, why they matter, and how you can master them even if you're not a numbers person. Whether you're balancing your personal budget or managing a business, these tips will help you stay on top of your finances and avoid unnecessary stress. Let's get into it. First things first, what's the difference between accounting and bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is all about recording daily transactions like income and expenses. It's the foundation of your financial records. Think of it as organizing the puzzle pieces. Accounting, on the other hand, is the bigger picture. It involves analyzing those financial records to make decisions, file taxes, and plan for the future. So, while bookkeeping is step one, accounting is where the magic happens. If you're just getting started, setting up a solid bookkeeping system is key. Step 1. Choose the right tool. Tools like QuickBooks, Wave. Step 2. Categorize your transactions. Divide them into income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. This makes tracking and analysis way easier. Step 3. Keep it consistent. Set aside time weekly or monthly to update your records. Trust me, you don't want to deal with a mountain of receipts at tax time. Pro tip. Accurate records aren't just about being organized, they're essential for running a smooth operation. With clear records, you can 1. Track your cash flow, 2. Avoid overpaying on taxes, 3. Secure loans or investments. Remember, messy books equal missed opportunities. Don't let sloppy record keeping hold you back. Now let's talk about some basic accounting concepts you need to understand. 1. Assets versus liabilities. Know what you own versus what you owe. 2. Profit and loss. Track your income versus expenses to see if you're actually making money. 3. Cash flow. Keep tabs on the money coming in and going out to avoid running out of funds. Even if you hire an accountant, understanding these basics will help you make smarter financial decisions. Should you handle your finances yourself or hire a pro? Here's the lowdown. DIY bookkeeping works if your finances are simple, and tools like QuickBooks make it manageable. But if you're scaling your business or dealing with complex finances, outsourcing to a professional accountant can save you time and headaches. It might cost more up front, but it's worth it in the long run. Pro tip. Look for an accountant who specializes in your industry. They'll know the ins and outs of your financial needs. Tax season doesn't have to be a nightmare if you stay prepared year-round. 1. Keep all your receipts and invoices organized. 2. Use accounting software to categorize expenses for deductions. 3. Don't wait until the last minute. Start prepping early. If taxes stress you out, an accountant can help you file accurately and even find deductions you might have missed. And now you have it. A crash course in accounting and bookkeeping that anyone can follow. Whether you're managing your personal finances or running a business, mastering these skills will set you up for success. If you're ready to take your bookkeeping to the next level, check out QuickBooks Online for an all-in-one solution that'll save you time and effort. And if you need professional help, don't sweat it. Head over to Fiverr to find expert accountants and bookkeepers who've got your back. You will find the service link in the description and in the pinned comment. Before you go, don't forget to watch the video on how to create a budget planner popping up on the end screen. It's a must-watch for a comprehensive monthly and yearly financial budget planner specifically designed to meet your unique needs. Smash that like button, hit subscribe to Skillmaster, and let me know in the comments if you've got any questions. Catch you in the next one.